mag... Ganun ha?
ASMR.
Ano sa niya ikuan? Fritz and Co.
Coco.
Oh, amo ni i-taste ron guys.
Okay, high five, high five. We're gonna eat chocolates then.
Gahapon na nga itong usa nga flavor karon.
It's
This one.
different, but it's more thicker. Open it, open it. Look. Yummy. Wow,
Wow.
it's so big. That's big. That's so big.
Look guys. Alam mo na ni. Oh, di ba?
It's so colorful.
Nagatilaw na dyan
Give me
nga
one,
ni guys.
give me one.
Requested. Kanya na may gikas Dubai.
Can you give me?
Wait,
It's so
sa
hard.
gahi. Gigirif. Manggod ni wow. Gagahi man eh. Ah, tira! Ah,
You guys, look. Look what's inside. Yummy.
mali siya.
Oh
Na na. Oh.
It's very crunchy and yummy. I want some. Very crunchy.
Mm.
I want some.
Mm.
I want some.
Where is that?
I want some. Want some.
Nakaluoy ko yan.
Mmm.
Wait, sa ito nga sa ni mama.
Gamay lang gamay.
to eat that, ha?
So yummy.
Allowed.
Test lang gamay.
It's color green. It's yummy. It's delicious. It's crunchy too. It's a little bit sweet. One little. One some.
Hala.
Ano ha? Apay maglabot ko mo na.
What's that?
No! You're not allowed, ha?
Manny, what do you rate it?
You
Try?
try?
Ni mama rin.
You try.
Pinugon ka ron.
Manny, what do you rate it? I rate it like I'm a big.
You want big? No, you're not allowed because you
Manny,
have to add man.
what do you rate it? I rate it a 8 out of 10. Ikaw?
Same as you.
Okay. Big. It's big.
Big? You want big? Ano ma'am na? Wow! Kato yung wow.
Kau, turain mo kau.
Thank you for watching guys. Bye!
Oh, yummy.
Video niya na lang when you're big na. Ayaw sa aron mo, ha?